Hey everyone, it's Heidi, and this is my first attempt at doing a video for Hanging with Heidi and Jody. And my topic tonight, or today, whenever you're watching this, is 31's online rules for Facebook and social media. So what I wanted to first start out is Jody already touched on setting up your closed VIP Facebook group for your 31 business. And so when I say when I say VIP group, that is what I am referring to. And when I say your personal Facebook page, that is the one that you post that you went to a concert or a Penguins game, or whatever the case might be, and that's where your news feed is, or where you post on your wall. So first thing we want to mention is that when creating that closed VIP group, and I'm sure Jody mentioned this, make sure the name 31 is not in that name anywhere. My personal VIP group that I have set up for my customers is called Heidi's Bag Obsession. Jody's is Jody's Purses, Bags, and Totes Oh My. So you get the idea. So the first thing I want to point out to you is that you cannot sell your products on eBay, Etsy, Craigslist, Amazon, etc. On your personal Facebook group, you are not allowed to sell products or recruit new consultants. So something that would be allowed to be on your personal Facebook page is so excited about the new products, or I love 31. And so I want to give you an example here. This is something that I posted on, you can see January 13th. This is on my personal Facebook page. And I'm just saying, what's up everyone? Or what's everyone up to on this frigid Saturday night, and blah, blah, blah. And so what I'm doing is I'm telling them about this product, the Save Your Way clutch. Excuse me. And I took a picture of the clutch, the scissors, the coupons. Like, that's what I was doing while I was watching NFL football. So I'm telling them about it. And as you can see, my 31 website is not linked on here anywhere, but my Facebook closed VIP group is. Okay? So that's something that you can put on your you can put on your personal Facebook page. But over here, now I'm on my closed group. And I'm just going to scroll up so you can see where it says closed right here. So this is something that you could not put on your personal Facebook page, but because I'm in my closed group, I can. Number one, I can put my website, and I have personally paid on GoDaddy.com to have this as my website. And when I click on that, it's going to take me to my31.com / Heidi Klinger, because that's where my customers can shop. So something like this, enroll today for $1 with the kit free enrollment option, or choose one of the $99 kits. This cannot go on your personal page because it is recruiting, number one. Number two, it has my website. And number three, it lists prices. Okay. You cannot have an open group. They're very strict about that. There is an official 31 Facebook page that is a public forum. However, on there you should not be self-promoting, complaining, or asking customer service questions. And I know there was something else about that page I wanted to mention. Oh, you can share posts from that official 31 Facebook page, but you cannot save the photos and post them as if they were your own. Okay, so keep that in mind. The one phrase you'll hear a lot about Facebook posting regarding your business is tell, don't sell. So back over on my personal Facebook, I'm telling them about the Save Your Way clutch. I have another one here that shouldn't be too far away. Here we go. Where I'm posting a picture of new products. I do not have my website listed anywhere, no prices, nothing like that. It's just a picture of the products with the catalog. So I'm telling them about it, and I'm not selling it. I think that is basically it. I'm just going to look through here. You also cannot sell current products in any Facebook group, including your closed VIP group. Okay, so you can't go on your VIP group and try to sell this product because it's current. But you could go on and sell something maybe that you have lying around from 3 years ago that maybe you bought at your first 31 party. So keep that in mind. If in doubt, I tell my girls, send me a private message with exactly what you want to post on your personal page, and I will read through it and say, yes, it's allowed, or no, it's not allowed. Okay? Any questions, reach out to your sponsor, and I hope this is helpful.